This is the 14th and final lesson of the Ruby on Rails tutorial screencasts, Following Users. In this lesson, we will complete the sample application by adding a social layer that allows users to follow and unfollow other users, resulting in each user's homepage displaying a status feed of the followed user's microposts. We'll start by learning how to model relationships between users, and then we'll build the corresponding web interface for following users and displaying the results. We'll end by developing a fully functional status feed, which involves some of the most challenging material in the tutorial, including a particularly tricky mix of Ruby and SQL. There are a lot of moving parts in this lesson, so I want to get started by giving a tour of the interface of what we're going to be developing. Let's take a look at some mock-ups of that. This is our goal for a user's profile. You can see that we've got a bunch of elements already implemented, including the gravatar image and name, the number of microposts, and this list here of the user's microposts, including the delete links and pagination. But we're going to add these links here, 50 following, 77 followers. If you want to find a user to follow, you're going to be able to go to /users, which is just the user index page. So a user like John Calvin will come into the all users page, maybe click on Thomas Hobbes here, and go to Hobbes's profile page. That'll have all of the same elements as Calvin's profile page, but in addition it'll have a follow link like this. So if Calvin clicks on follow, it will increment the number of followers that Hobbes has from 144 to 145, and we'll change that follow link to unfollow. After following Hobbes, Calvin can go to his home page, which includes a micropost feed, and those microposts now include the microposts of Hobbes. Of course, we've already implemented quite a few of these things, and we have partial implementations of a lot of it as well. But you can see once we're done, we'll have basically a minimalist Twitter clone, and getting to this point is the goal of this lesson.